Hey guys, it's math time where grammar is reviewing for your final that you're not having. It's just practice. Math, we've got to plug ahead because I need you to have the skills so that you're ready for next year. Division, today we're going to start on page 281. Division with rounding. If you remember your rounding rules, it's find your place, look next door. 5 or greater, add 1 more. Numbers in front stay the same. Numbers behind, zero's your name. So if I'm rounding to the nearest tenth here, I find my place, look next door. That's a 7, so I'm going to go up 1. 8.87 is about 0.9. Again here, if I'm going to round to the nearest tenth, 1.46, I'm going to look back. Numbers in front stay the same. I'm going to go up to 5. That becomes a 0, and I can just move it off, leaving 1.5. 1.46 is about 1.5. Below that, we'll switch colors because we're switching numbers. We're going to round to the nearest hundredth. Here's your point, 4.629. Find your place, look next door. 5 or greater, add 1 more. Numbers in front stay the same. Numbers behind, zero's your name, and just get rid of it. So 4.629 is about 4.63. Here on the bottom, the same is true here. 6.305, I'm going to round to the nearest hundredth. So the 5 makes that 0 a 1. So it's 6.31. The 0 there, but I'm going to omit that 0. So I've got 6 and 31 hundredths. 6.305 is about 6.31. Now we're going to add that skill, transfer it to division with rounding. It's pretty a simple concept. We're going to use purple. Catherine says let's use purple, so we'll do it. The first one is 3A on page 281. Remember, this is 281 and 282. 6 will go into 25 one time. 1 times, I'm kidding. 4 times. 4 times 6 is 24. 1 left over. I'm going to add my decimal, bring it up, and then annex or add a 0 to bring down. 6 will go into 10 one time. 1 times 6 is 6. There's a 4. Add another 0, bring it down. 6 will go into 40. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. So 36 is it 6 times. 6 times 6 is 36. And since it tells me to round to the nearest tenth, I only have to go to the hundredths place. So 4.16, I'm going to round to 4.2. 4.16 is about 4.2. Because I round to the 10th, I'll go to the 100th. Okay, next color. Fun fact to know and tell. People watching this video right now are trying to help me with my math. It's really great to see happening. 21 into 43. I'm going to use the same guess. 21 will go into 43. I'm going to think 2 times. 2 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Oh, look, I was right. 43 minus 2 is 1. Add the decimal, move it up. Add the 0, move it down. 21 will go into 10. 0 times. Add another and bring it down. I know that 20 will go into 100 5 times. So 21 will only go into 100 4 times. 4 times 21, that's 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract 9, 10, 6, 16. Because I'm rounding to the nearest tenth, I only have to go out as far as the hundredth place. 2.04 is about 2.0. Anybody have a question? No? Okay. We'll move to round to the nearest thousand. I'm going to use lime. Let's see. Does it show up? Can you see that? Excellent. I'm going to use lime green because it's my favorite. 3 will go into 26. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 26. Oop, that's too much. 8 times. I bet you knew that already because you're so smart. 8 times 3 is 24. Subtract. 6 minus 4 is 2. Add the decimal, move it up. Add your 0, bring it down. 3 will go into 20. Do you know? Say it with me. That's right, 6 times. 3 times 6 is 18. 20 minus 18 is 2. I need another decimal. Not another decimal, another 0. 3 will go into 20 again. 6 times. 6 times 3 is still 18. And I can keep adding zeros and sixes, but it's never going to change. Sometimes you will come across a decimal that will not terminate, such as 8.66666666, and so forth and so on. That's why I use my round to the nearest 1,000. I had to go out to 10,000s. Now I can round 8.66, find your place, look next door, to 8.67. 8.666666 is about 8.67. Let me check my book, be sure I'm right. Yes, I am. Check for me. All right, so those of you that are watching the videos up here, those of you watching the video, the reward is I've already done several of page 281. You just have to finish number 3, number 4, and then skip to 8, 9, and 10. Those of your classmates that aren't actually watching the video, they're going to complete the whole page. So thanks for watching. See you next time.